Let's discover how to create charts with spreadsheet data with Elements Spreadsheet.
Hi, I'm Sunny, a marketing manager. I would like to visualize my project data in compelling charts to make informed decisions. I created a spreadsheet to track our marketing campaigns. Each tab measures different metrics to assess the efficiency of each channel. I will edit the page in order to add a chart. Now I'll add a chart macro linked to my spreadsheet document. The source is already set to the current spreadsheet document. I'll now select a target for my spreadsheet document, that is a chart macro. Now, I will configure chart options to display data the way that I want. I need to select the data that I want to be displayed on the x-axis. In this case, I want to display the first column, that is the months of the year. Now I will select the data series that I want displayed. I want to visualize all of the campaign communication channels. The next step is to give the chart macro a name. And I will also name labels to make it user-friendly and provide context. And that's it, my chart is ready. My page is now ready to be published and shared with my team. With this chart, it's easier for my team to quickly compare the efficiency of each channel and make appropriate decisions for future campaigns.